Chanso on the free kick for United Brothers. Has 6 blue shirts to aim for inside the box, chooses to play to Tangkhul instead. Chanso still straight at Rocky, who collects and goes down. Now trying to soak up the pressure a little bit and take as much time to frustrate the United Brothers Football Club players. Achan plays it long, defended by Yaripam. Sempam now. Sempam was looking for still with United Brothers. Yang Miching. Mang Tin Say to Yang Miching. Yang Miching by the byline. Had the chance to get a cross in, but disappointingly only plays it out for a goal kick for Tangkhul United. Achan. Apam. Achan and Apam, the understanding between the two centre back partners really there. Both from the same village. They have played in multiple teams together as the centre back pairs, and the understanding that the two players have built over the years really showing in this game. They have rebuilt streams after streams of United Brothers attack. Binan all the way back to Rocky, who will be happy to get a touch of the ball. Achan. The run was from Chungmei, well defended in the end by Golan. Pagirat still on the left flank. His pass finds Pasan by the byline, try to get a cross in. Tangkhul United asking for a spot kick there, but the referee only gives a corner here, which will come as much worry for Apoy Riva, the coach for United Brothers Football Club. They have defended really badly on set pieces. Shubash on the set piece yet again, trying to make it 3 for Tangkhul United. Shubash, it's another great cross in, but this time the clearance comes from Yaripam. Dumping is fouled by Dautang, and Dumping earns a free kick in a very enticing position here for Tangkhul United, which will have a few players interested. Pasan is the player who has set the ball down. Yong Sing Mui now also talking with Pasan, trying to take him off free kick duties, while Achan is there at the back trying to feed off the scrapes from between the two players. So bit of a power clash going on there. Tamsing was also interested, but Pasan, who was the first player to set the ball down, has asked everyone to leave it for him. It is Pasan. Pasan clips it in for Apam, and Apam has a simple job of just stepping it in, and that's wonderful piece of quick thinking and team play by Tangkhul United yet again. So yet again United Brothers concede from a set piece situation. Pasan, it looked like he was trying to take the free kick and he was trying to, it looked like he was trying to go for goal all for himself, but at the very last minute he fooled all the United Brothers defenders and clipped the ball for a simple tap in for the skipper Maraipam, and it is Sakalpan United 3, United Brothers 0. It has turned out to be quite a bloodbath here. Yang Miching for the United Brothers team. Now it is all about damage limitation, trying to get a goal back while trying to shut out any attacking moves by Sakalpan United. 3-0 is bad enough, they don't want things to get any worse than this. Mang Tin Sem, Mang Tin Se with a cross in, but the ball had gone out of play, and Rocky will be happy to take a goal kick. Rocky for a pump. Not happy with the bit of running that he had to do. Shun. Birmingham, back to Shun, back to Rung Singh for Tamting. Tamting for Shun Jintan for a pump, back with Tamting again. Sakalpan United now truly in their stride, toying with United Brothers. Binan on the chase. On his back is Yaripam. Binan still by the byline. Nan and Ramsambam does well to win the throw-in for United Brothers. Yang Miching from Sampam. Joe poked it straight to Chungmei. Chungmei finds Pasan. Pasan now. On the overlap is Pakirat. Pakirat is offside, so a chance for United Brothers to take their collective breath of relief, try to regroup and come back again. Kolan straight at Apam. Apam plays it back to Rocky, the goalkeeper. Rocky, bit of time wasting antics here from the goalkeeper in yellow. Sprays the ball out wide for Chungmei. Chungmei played it back to Ongramchan. Ongramchan concedes a throw-in.
Second semi-final, UPFC versus Sakalpan United. We scored Sakalpan 3.
Rung Singh. Pakirats. Pakirat asking a little too much of Shubash. Kolan plays it back to his goalkeeper Tara. Tara finds Michanso. Tangkhul back to Michanso. Michanso all the way back to his goalkeeper. Shunjintan, scorer of the first goal of the match, nearly found Pasan, but now Muinao on the run for Sakalpan United. Muinao all alone inside the box. Muinao was unselfish here and tried to get it back for Pasan, but he would have been better going for goal himself. It's gone out for a goal kick nonetheless for Sakalpan United, and United Brothers have yet another set-piece situation to defend. Surely This will not lead to a fourth goal. Shubash with the cross in, repelled by United Brothers. Janso. Totremung. Intercepted by Dumping. Now Shubash. Shubash taking on Ramsempam. Shubash by the byline. Shubash cannot get the ball in play. Tried to roll back his ears, but his legs got up on him. Dumping. Totremung. Mujanso. Closed down by Pinan. Out for a throw in for United Brothers.
IPS Chairman Organizing Committee, Special Member Yursari and the Tomoshi,
Tangkhul back to Janso. Shun finds something. Something is brought down by Yaripam and cynically attached by Yaripam, so he will be the first player to go into the referee's books in this second semi-final. Now, Apam, Shun Chuntan, closed down by Totremung. Shun Chuntan, well again, Totremung goes over the ball. Shun Chuntan losing his head here, need not commit that foul. I was not happy that the decision was not given to him on the first instance, so let his frustrations out on Totremung and becomes the second player to be booked. So one booking apiece for both teams, but the most important statistic of the game reads 3 for Sakalpan and 0 for United Brothers. United Brothers, of course, can change their fortunes and they have a chance with this free kick, which will be taken by Mujanso. Mujanso has 6 players to aim for inside the box. Totremung just at the edge of the box. Mujanso, it's a good ball in by Mujanso. There was a free header on for Tangkhul, but Tangkhul flicked it backwards instead of directing his header towards goal. But they have a throw-in. Chungwei. We now find Shubash. Shubash wins the throw-in. Shubash still was trying to find Pasan. Only plays it to Yaripam, the centre back for United Brothers. Yaripam back to Kaulan. Kaulan does well to find Tangkhul. Tangkhul clips it forward for Tausang. Tausang chasing Ongramchan down. Ongramchan, the defender, doing very well to clear the lines for Sakalpan United. But Sakalpan United win back possession from United Brothers, and they have a throw in here. United Brothers readying another 2 changes, so they made 2 changes, 3 changes over 2 stoppages of play in the first half. With these 2 changes, their quota of 5 substitutions in the game will be complete. The first 3 changes for United Brothers not working in their favour. Coach Tangkhul will be hoping that the 2 players who are all set to come on now will make more impact off the bench than the first 3 players that came on in the first half. Yarabam does well to shepherd the ball out of play, and United Brothers now making the change. And surprisingly, this Tangkhul, who was the first half substitute, that's come off, and the other player that comes off is jersey number 11, Totang. So in comes Nathaniel, jersey number 19, and Jung Jajan Cookie, jersey number 8. Something has pulled the strings in the middle of the park for Tangkhul United. Not exactly directly involved in the goal that Tangkhul United have scored, but he has been at it for Tangkhul United in possession, has been dictating play for the team in red. Meanwhile, United Brothers with a corner. Totrisem takes it early, finds Mujanso, but it's a cross in, it's high. Nathaniel, repelled by Apam. Basan back to Achan. Achan plays it back to Chungmei, who clears for Tangkhul. Back in again through Ramsempam, but only out for a throw-in for Tangkhul United. Tangkhul meanwhile making their first 2 changes. Chungmei for something. Just to clear up the remarks I made a few seconds ago, Tangkhul readying their first 2 changes. The changes have not been made yet. Binan, something for Shunjuntan. United Brothers started off well. They were exciting and attacking in the first half, but ever since they fell behind, courtesy of Shunjuntan's header at the closing stages of the first half, the whole moral of the team, it looks, has really gone down, and they conceded 2 quick goals at the start of the second half, and they now find themselves trailing by 3 goals to nil. And Tangkhul now make the change. Shunjuntan, the scorer of that first goal, makes way for Ninglum Shang, and the other player that's making way is Pakirats, who makes way for Kamin. So both changes for Tangkhul happening down on the right flank. Shunjuntan, the right back, coming off for Ninglum Shang, another right back, and Pakirats, the right winger, coming off for Kamin, the right winger, who comes in to replace him. Ramsempam try to clip it for Mang Tinsei. Well defended by Ninglum Shang. Good first touch of the ball by Ninglum Shang, but his pass was disappointing. Interesting to see that Tangkhul have made A change in the full-back positions. Chung Mei, who was playing at left back at the start of the game, has now shifted to the right with Ninglum Shang, a substitute, slotting in at left back. Another change forward up front for Tangkhul United as well. Change in position for the players. Basan was playing predominantly on the left in the game, but with the withdrawal of Pagiret, he has now shifted to the right, while Kamin, the player who came on for Pagiret, is now playing on the left flank. Ramsempam back to Yarupam. Yarupam looking long, asking a lot of Mang Tin Se cannot get there ahead of Rocky. A short goalkeeping from the Tangkhul United goalkeeper. Basan asking a little too much of Kamin, the substitute, still without a first touch of the ball in the game. We now stepped on the ball. Kamin now getting his first touch of the ball up against Golan defends well. Totngyung closed down by Winao. Mang Tin Se was trying to find Totrimung on the left flank. His pass was intercepted by the Tangkhul defender. Now a free kick for United Brothers. A few yards from the centre line. Free kick is taken quickly by the skipper Ramsempam. Cookie clips it. Rocky comes off his lines. And Shang for Basan. Basan is offside. Tangkhul taking their foot off the gas a little bit after going 3-0 up. United Brothers seeing more of the ball, but not causing any trouble for Tangkhul in the final third. Totngyung does well to find Mang Tin Se. Mang Tin Se at the edge of the box finds Cookie with a shot on. It's flown just wide over the crossbar. Yeah, brothers really need to make more use of those kind of situations. They need to work the goalkeeper Rocky, who has had a very comfortable game so far, but more possession, more ball for the team in blue bodes well if they are to have any dreams of staging a comeback here. Come in, closed down by Golan. Interesting substitution by Tangkhul as Rocky, the goalkeeper, makes way for the substitute goalkeeper Priyojit. So it looks like the Tangkhul coach is trying to give every player minutes here in the semi-final, something that you don't see very often. So Priyojit comes on for Rocky for the last 15 to 20 minutes of the game. Something. We now. Something. We now. A beautiful spread out on the right for Binan. Binan has support in the form of Basan. Finds Basan. Basan plays it back to Chung Mei. Chung Mei hoofs the ball in. Tara gets there ahead of Muinao. And quick distribution. And a very good distribution by Tara, chased down by Mang Tin Se. Cannot keep the ball in play. Throw in for Tangkhul United. A cheeky nutmeg there by Ninglum Shang. has been on the pitch for a little more than 5 minutes, but you can see the confidence that the result of his team is giving him. Tried the audacious nutmeg there and got it right. Englam Shah. This time he concedes a throw-in. Tottenham takes it early, finds Nathaniel. Nathaniel for Cookie. Cookie. Disappointing pass in the end for Cookie. Tottenham was all alone on the left flank. Could have easily played him through on goal, but now Sagopan on the counter. Tied off his lines to clear the ball back by his centre back. Push on the back of Cookie by Rung Singh. United Brothers take the free kick early. Machanso has played very attacking in this game. The left back gets the cross in. A short defending yet again by Achan. And Priyojit, the goalkeeper who came on for Rocky, gets his first touch of the game. Ooh. Tottenham won the ball back in a very promising area for Sagopan United, for United Brothers, but foul had been committed on something. On the balance of play, given the fact that Sagopan United are seeing less of the ball and United Brothers are attacking, Sagopan United making that goalkeeper change seems a little bit like playing with fire. If United Brothers are to get a goal back from this set piece situation, the Sagopan United coach will be left scratching his head, wondering if he made the right call, trying to play Priyojit, trying to bring on Priyojit. They have yet another throw in to defend here. Mangtinse. Mangtinse is fouled by Rung Singh, so a free kick now for United Brothers. Good position to score, to get players forward and try to get one back in the game. If one goes in, you never know. This is football and it's not over until it's over. And with ample time still, United Brothers can stage a comeback. And that comeback, if they are to stage that, needs to start from this free kick. Cookie standing over this free kick has 7 players to aim for inside the box. Cookie floats it in, and the far post was Nathaniel, but Nathaniel took his eyes off the ball as he was trying to head it, and in the end heads the ball straight down at the floor, and it's gone out for a goal kick for Sagopan United. So a good chance wasted by United Brothers, and Sagopan United will try to come again from the back in no hurry. Come in, close down by Colin. Flick on by Ninglam Shang. Now, Mangtinse. Tron goal, Mangtinse! Yet again, cannot keep his composure at the most important moment and puts that over the crossbar. Mangtinse from close range. 2 good chances in quick succession for United Brothers. If they are to convert, it will be a nervy end of the game for Sagopan United, even though they are 3-0 ahead. Ramchan and Apam will be desperate to hold on to the clean sheet. By the looks of how they have defended in the last few minutes and how United Brothers are attacking, that does not look likely. Totrimung. Totrimung. Closed down by Achan. Now with Nathaniel. Nathaniel. Achan is interested, and Achan does well to win a throw-in. The first mistake came off Achan, but Achan did really well to rescue the situation, apologizing to his teammates, and nothing doing there. Winnow. Chot Ngyung. Young Miching. Young Miching does well to go past 3 red shirts. Now Nathaniel for United Brothers. Nathaniel plays a beautiful ball through for Mang Tin Se by the byline up against Apam. Cannot control the ball, and it's gone out for a goal kick for Tangkhul United, which Apam will take gladly. Priyojit plays it early to Apam. So Priyojit, no time wasting on the ball by the substitute goalkeeper. Something for Ning Lim Shang. Ning Lim Shang still. Pasan. Yang Miching for Cookie. Closed down by Something. Something lifts it forward for Binan. Binan does well to keep the ball in play. Binan still. Binan hangs the cross in. Repelled by Golan. Golan finds Nathaniel. Nathaniel plays it back to Ngjanso. Ngjanso for Cookie. Cookie sprays it forward for Totremung. Totremung, good take off the ball by Totremung. Has support in the form of Golan, the centre back, who is making a marauding run on this right flank. Golan still inside the box, his pass looking for Cookie. Very, very disappointing indeed. The run was there, the dribble was there, just the pass was not there for Golan. United Brothers still trying to salvage something out of this game, trying to get a goal back. Ngjanso on the left flank, looks up, gets the cross in. Inside is Chot Ngyung. Here's Totremung. Totremung all alone. Totremung with time to shoot, and Totremung gets one back for United Brothers, and they have 5 minutes plus additional time to really set up a frantic end to the game. And in hindsight now, the Tangkhul United coach will be thinking if he made the right choice bringing on Priyojit at such a crucial stage. United Brothers now with fresh impetus. Ngjanso. Good run by Mang Tin Se. Mang Tin Se found Cookie. Ngjanso again to Mang Tin Se. Mang still for Ngjanso. Ngjanso has enjoyed a lot of ball onto the left flank. The cross in was for Chot Ngyung, and Chot Ngyung got a flick on but could not direct his header towards goal. So 2 changes now for Tangkhul United. The last 2 changes for them as well. And Eric, jersey number 30, coming on, along with Kamin. Pasan. From Sempam. Chot Ngyung, the goal scorer. Totremung, my apologies, the goal scorer. Chot Ngyung now. Golan. Pasan. Come in. Back with Yaripam. Yaripam for Cookie. Cookie finds the run of Mang Tin Se. Mang Tin Se. Good goalkeeping in the end by Priyojit, who got off his lines and put a vital block in on that effort by Mang Tin Se. Goal kick for United Brothers. Ngjanso, who has been on set piece duties for United Brothers, takes it early. Finds Mang Tin Se. Mang Tin Se at the edge of the box. Spilled by Priyojit. And saved by Ungrum Chan from the from the goal line. But now on the counter, Shubash from the halfway line finds a 4th goal for Tangkhul United, and now that surely seals the game for Sakalpan United from one end to the other. What a game. Priojit spilling the shot by Mangtinse, cleared by Yongramchan, and the clearance found Shubash, who from halfway line so that the goalkeeper was off his line and lobbed it over the goalkeeper to net the fourth goal for Sakalpan, and rounds of a wonderful performance by the veteran striker who was hugely pivotal for the first two goals that Sakalpan United scored, and has put the icing on the cake for Sakalpan, scoring that scrumptious goal from the halfway line. But United Brothers still not giving up. Totremung. Torgyong left it for Ramsempam. Ramsempam for Muchanso. Muchanso hangs it in. Repelled by Chan. Ramsempam still for United Brothers. The crowds dispersing as soon as that fourth goal went in. Shots from outside the box was by Cookie. It's gone out for a goal kick. Achan. Ronik for Pasan. Now with Shubash. Shubash. Twisting, turning, gets past Yang Miching. Shubash still good defending in the end by Yang Miching. Out for a corner for Sakalpan United. Shubash has left it for Winao this time. By the looks of it, he's going over there towards Winao, trying to take the corner shot. Eric wanted to get it on the score sheet himself. Found himself all alone inside the box. The chance was there, but his efforts were wide off target. Machanso for United Brothers. Chucky back to Ramsempam. Ramsempam for Yaripam. Ramsempam. Machanso. Mangchinse left the pole, out for a throw-in for United Brothers, for Sakalpan United, my apologies, and we have 4 minutes added on at the end of regulation time. And the wonderful goal by Totremung seems like distant memory now for United Brothers. For a short spell of 5 minutes, it looked like United Brothers were staging a comeback, but that wonderful goal by Shubash has all but sealed the deal for Sakalpan United. That would have felt like the final nail in the coffin for United Brothers. Ronik. Come in. Shubash left it, and it's gone out for a goal kick for United Brothers. Young Singh for Shubash. Shubash cannot control it. Ramsempam for Cookie for United Brothers. Cookie still just looking for Mangtinse, intercepted by Ninglam Shang. Back for Apam by Winao, cleared by Apam. Chotngayong closed down by Eric. Shubash now. Shubash defended by Machanso. Mang Tinsei for Cookie. Back with Mang Tinsei again. Has really made a difference for United Brothers in the second half since coming on. Chot Nguyung. Try to clip it for Cookie. Intercepted by Achan. Ball won back by Yang Miching. Yang Miching. Bit of a heavy pass for Chot Nguyung. Ronick emerges with the ball for Sakalban. Mistake by Kamin. Ronick for Munau. Munau now for Binan. Binan. Basan. Munau. Basan. Cleared by Yang Miching. Out for a throw-in on this near side for Sakalpan United. Shabash. Foul by Shabash. Cookie. Out on the left for Mang Tinsei. Mang Tinsei asking a lot of Ruby. Machanso does well to keep the ball in play. Machanso has only Nathaniel to aim for inside the box, but finds Priyosha, the goalkeeper, instead of Nathaniel. Ronick now for Sakalban United. They're just waiting for time to trickle by, and that's beautifully left by Shabash. Disappointing by Pasan, who cannot get it past the goalkeeper. It would have been an embarrassing result for United Brothers had that gone in. Priocic. And that is full time as Sakalpan United see out a comfortable 4-1 win against local team United Brothers and seal their places in the final of the 30th SHIRUI Cup National Level Football Tournament, which will be played on the 18th of April at Ukhrul. It will be played between Sakalpan United and YOSC, and we hope to see you for that match. So now Sakalpan United and YOSC will play the final on the 18th of April, 12:30. It will be streamed live here on the Tangkhul Express channel. We hope to see you all again for the final. See you on 18th April, 12:30 p.m.